Good morning students, and here is your GK class, and now we are going to study chapter 16. And what is the topic? Topic is first in India, and that also men. Before this we have studied the first in India women, first women to go into space, about Kalpana Chawla, first women to get the Nobel Award, about Mother Teresa, first Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi, first President Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, and now we are going to study many more was there, first mountaineer, first women to go on the Mount Everest, and today we are going to study about the first in India men, what they have done. See, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. In famous leaders, we have studied about Dr. Rajendra Prasad, that he was the first Indian president. First president of Free India. Was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was also awarded with Desh Ratna Award. He was also the member of the committee which made our constitution. That's why he is called the architect of Indian constitution. And what is constitution? You all know, my dear. Constitution is a rule book. As in the school you are getting a diary. In the diary all the rules, your dress, your timing, everything is mentioned there. Like that only our country also runs with the help of some rules and regulation. That rules and regulation are written in one book, and that is called our constitution. Okay? And on which day constitution came into force? That day only is celebrated as 26th January. That means Republic Day. And that day only Dr. Rajendra Prasad was made the first president of Free India. Meher Singh. He was the first Indian to cross the English Channel. And not only Indian, my dear. He was the first Asian to cross the English Channel. And English Channel is a part of an ocean, Atlantic Ocean. And is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. All of you have studied about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan also. That he was the second president of our country. But he was the first vice president. Wait 1 second. But he was the first vice president of Free India. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was made the first president, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was made the vice president of India. Later, after 10 years, because 2 term, 10 years, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the only president who remained for 2 terms, that means 10 years. And after that, Radhakrishnan was made, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was made the second Prime Minister of India. Second President of India. First Vice President, and second President. And on all of you know that 5th September is his birthday, and we celebrate that day as Teachers' Day because he was a good teacher, good scholar, good administrator, and he was having a love and affection on the profession of teaching. Now came Tenzing Norgay, and who was he? He was a mountaineer. And he was the first Indian, Indo-Nepali we can say, okay, to climb the Mount Everest. And his partner was Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay was together climbed the peak of the Mount Everest. Actually, that time only male member, means only men were going on these type of adventurous work, means to climb mountain or do that type of work. And in that group, he and his partner, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Tenzing Norgay was the first Indian man, Indo-Nepali, we actually call him Indo-Nepali, okay, man to go on the peak of the Mount Everest. And what is Mount Everest, you all are knowing, my dear? Mount Everest is one peak of Himalaya. Himalaya is a mountain range. Suppose this is the mountain range, okay, and highest peak this is Mount Everest. This is also one peak, 2 peak, 3 peak, 4 peak. The upper, this portion is called the peak, and highest peak is Mount Everest. Now you are knowing this is the first person from India to step on the Mount Everest. Now Rakesh Sharma. In 1984, two persons, one Rakesh Sharma and one Ravis Malhotra, both were selected to go into the space. But in the last moment, finally, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian man to go to space. Okay, and what is space, you all are knowing, my dear? Suppose on the earth we are living, here we are having air also, wind also, some dust also, pollution also. But as you will go upper, that is becomes lesser and lesser, and at time comes where there is no air, no gravity of the earth. That is called space. Beyond the gravity of the earth, beyond the compression of the earth, that is called space. And people have to take a good training to go into the space, because without air we can't work, we can't breathe. They have to carry oxygen cylinder, we are not able to move. So there is no gravity. Here you are walking on the earth, jumping on the earth, and the gravitational force of the earth pulls you down, but there is no gravity. So a special training is taken by these persons to survive there. And why do they go there? This is another question. They go in the space to explore, means to know more about this world, about this universe, whether there is some chances to stay, some chances to do the better things, to do any experiment. So to explore, they go into the space. Now here is Rabindranath Tagore. I think all of you are familiar with this face. My dear, Rabindranath Tagore was one of our freedom fighters, and how he fought. And what is first I will explain. He is the first Indian to get Nobel Award. Okay, and for what? For literature, for his book. And what was the name of the book? The name of the book was Gitanjali. Beta, Gitanjali is means Geet and Anjali. This is a Hindi word, and the meaning of this is Geeton ki Anjali, means an attribute of songs, and this attribute of song is towards our nation, because this book Gitanjali is filled with patriotic songs, and our national anthem is also taken from this book only, and it is filled with so much patriotic songs that during the War of Independence, the freedom fighters were singing the songs and filling them with energy. And for this book, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to get the Nobel Peace Award. He was not the frontline warrior to fight with the English, but he was the person who encouraged, who motivated people, who made people aware of their country, of their freedom. Now see Rajagopalachari. See Rajagopalachari, I think you all have not seen this face. This is new face for you. See, Rajagopalachari was the first Governor General of India, because the last Governor General of British India, because that time the post of Governor General was there, but after our freedom, post of Governor General was not there, so it is he was the first Governor General of Free India. Now Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this face also you all are familiar, because he was the first Prime Minister of India, and on his birthday what we celebrate? Children's Day. Why? Because he loved children, and one red rose always you will see on his coat. He loved red roses and children. Red rose is the sign of love, and children usually you also love the child who is younger to you. So children are always lovable to us, isn't it? And his daughter Srimati Indira Gandhi, about her you have studied first in women, because he was the first women Prime Minister of India. He was the first male Prime Minister, men Prime Minister, and his daughter Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India, which you have studied earlier. Now Abhinav Bindra. He was the first Indian to get gold medal in Olympic Games, my dear, in 2008 in shooting competition. Now here are the clues, and you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the picture in this, and then you will get some question answer also, fill in the blanks also to do. First, see the first President of India. Here I have written one, but who was the first President of India? And he was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And you know, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is from Bihar only. The first Vice President of India. And who was he? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The first Prime Minister of India, and all of you know, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On his birthday we celebrate, on his birthday we celebrate Children's Day, and on Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan we celebrate Teachers Day. Clear? Now see the next clues. The first Indian to climb the Mount Everest, and he was Tenzing Norgay, first Indian to get Nobel Prize, and he was we call him Gurudev also, Rabindranath Tagore, the first Indian in space, and the name is Rakesh Sharma. First Indian Governor General of Independent India, and the name is C. Rajagopalachari. Here I have given the number, but you should know the name also. C. Rajagopalachari. Next is the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal, and he is Abhinav Bindra. And second gold medal who won? All of you know, because this year in Olympic he won, is Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is the second Indian to bring gold medal, Olympic gold medal. Okay, and in which game? Javelin throw. the first Indian to cross the English Channel, and the name is Mihir Sen. Clear? Now you all are knowing about these famous personalities, and some questions will be given to you. You have to write the answers or fill in the blanks will be given. You have to do it, my dear. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks a lot. Be safe, be protected.